We have arrived at Denthorpe. We are waiting our train to Roblox, and Intercity Express one to change at Barnesworth, and then we'll be at Blemby Central. So YouTube, stay alive so you can see us at Blemby Central. Arriving at Blemby Central.
This train is now approaching Blemby Central. Please take care when stepping off the train onto the platform. Thank you for travelling with Roblox Rail. Be careful of the electric rails.
Welcome to Blemby Central. Number 2 at Blemby Central will be your 1914 2 Tango 58 Roblox rail service from Robloxia to Thomas Gardens. Got 153383 Ecclesbourne Valley Railway. One by 3383 Stepford County Railway and Ecclesbourne Valley Railway to Thomas Gardens. We have arrived at Blemby Central, where you can see services from Roblox Rail and Intercity Express. Platform 3 will go from Robloxia Rail and Smiley Face Express. So platform.
Please note that this video will contain a lot of information.
Platform 3 will go from and Falkingham via Stepford. Platform 1 and 2 for Robloxia to Thomas Gardens. Platform number 3 at Blemby Central will be your 20:30 arrival here. From Gothland. This is to...
From Gothland to Blemby Central, it's terminating here.
To Charlie 25.
To Charlie 25, yeah.
Well,
Platform 3 from the 20:30 Roblox Rail service.
got 153313.
This train is here.
153313 to from Gothland. I'll just make up. Number 2 at Blemby Central will be your 2035. 1 Alpha 32 Smiley Face Express service from Robloxia to Ben City.
Royal City.
43.
I did tell this video
043.
a lot of recorrections.
43 043 to 43 054 to
Royal City.
Yeah. In a minute, bounce to the platform number 3 at Blemby Central will be your 2040.
2040 to Charlie. What was the last head code? To Charlie what?
25.
To Charlie 26 Roblox Rail service to Gothland, starting here.
By Stepford Central. 153313 back out.
Shane Yoho has joined the game.
One 153313 to Gothland. There's a train in the background.